everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 28th of November to the 2nd of December 2022 on Monday. Nkazimulo and Pastor Kwala stand in Osipo up while bonding at a storm at the VIP lounge. In another part of the lounge, Nkunzi goes into celeb mode as he promotes the upcoming talent show. Meanwhile, back at the police station, things comes to a head for Mondli as his subordinates are questioned about his leadership and conduct on Tuesday. Nyawo's announcement leaves many officers staggered. Pastor Kwala surprised Nkazimulo when he offers to get dirty. Winning the competition seems to be the matter of life and death for Ndu on Wednesday. Mamlambo vows to make an example of the person who wronged him. Nyawo uses his promotion to be seen, heard and felt wherever he goes, and the Guamashu talent show elevates Nkunzi to celebrity status on Thursday. Nyawo wants to suspend Lily and Biela effective immediately. Mamlambo catches Nkazimulo with her phone. Hlelo's main event doesn't seem to take shape on Friday. Lily wants Biela to distract Nyawo while she interrogates the perpetrator to try and absolve Mondli. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.